Meaning of denture.
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 Denture. Denture refers to a removable artificial replacement for missing teeth and surrounding tissues. It is made of acrylic resin, porcelain, metal, or a combination of materials. Dentures can be complete or partial and are designed to fit comfortably in the mouth. They restore the appearance of a natural smile and help improve speech and chewing abilities. Dentures need to be properly maintained through regular cleaning and checkups with a dentist to ensure they continue to fit and function properly. Overall, dentures provide a practical and effective solution for those who have lost teeth.